The sound that we are going to practice in this video is the sound eh. Repeat after me. Eh. 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 Eh in anger. Again, anger. Agency. Again, agency. Adverb. Again, adverb. Angry. Again, angry. Endorser. Again, endorser. Endo. Again, endo. Empty. Again, empty. Athlete. Again, athlete. Ego. Again, ego. What other word have the initial sound E? Cab. Again, cab. Cup. Again, cup. Receive. Again, receive. Said. Again, said. Sud. Again, sud. Beg. Again, beg. Leg. Again, leg. Neck. Again, neck. Reg. Again, reg. What other words have the middle sound eh? Now let's practice phrases with the sound eh. Ready? A nice agency. Again, a nice agency. Beside the club. Again, beside the club. On the cup. Again, on the cup. The ego. Again, the ego. Now let's practice sentences with the sound eh. Ready? The athlete received a gold medal. Again, the athlete received a gold medal. Monday agency was hiring. Again, Monday agency was hiring. Reg was a dancer of Lahing Kayo Manggi. Again, Reg was the dancer of Lahing Kayo Manggi. That guy was really angry. Again, that guy was really angry. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound eh. Repeat after me. Eh. 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 I hope you enjoy our practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.